Hello everyone, I'm Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated.
Ayan, there are a growing number of people who have more debt as they get older. So, wag tayong papayag na kasama tayo sa ganito, no? So, again, kung medyo kulang na rin yung time mo, ako, Miss Roan, 50 na ako, 60 na ako, pero may utang pa rin ako, no? So, may solusyon pa rin tayo. Pakitype nga po dyan, IMG Business, no? Kasi dito po sa business, syempre, ano yan, no? Control mo yan dahil kung magkano kikitain mo ngayong buwan, hindi yan nililimitahan ng company. Yun ang maganda sa business. Unlike pag-employment, pag empleyado ka, fixed na yan. Tama ba? Kahit na sobrang sipag mo, ma-promote ka pa, fixed na yung kikitain mo. So, instead of reducing their mortgage, many people buy bigger houses and take on bigger mortgages. And of course, some may have more children if they remarry. So, ang hirap, no, pagka kumuha ka ng utang kasi fixed na yan, nababayaran mo eh. Pero yung income mo kasi hindi fixed eh. Pwedeng mawalan ka ng trabaho, no? Pwedeng bawasan, no? Yung mga empleyado sa company nyo, pwede kang matanggal or mabawasan yung income mo. So as a result, they still have responsibility and therefore high protection needs even when they get older, no? Pag wala kang ipon, kailangan mo talaga ng insurance, no? Pero pag may sapat na ipon ka na, self-insured ka na, no? Di mo na kailangan ng malaking insurance. By understanding the X-curve concept, you may want to decrease your responsibility by increasing your savings so that you move toward a debt-free, happier life. Sa pakitype nga po, debt-free. Yan. So, marami na pong naging debt-free dito sa IMG kasi ginawa nila yung business. Natuto sila dun sa workshop 1 pa lang, matututo na kayo how to manage your debt. Paano nyo ma-zero out yan? Ano yung uunahin natin? May computation po dyan. So the two important questions you need to ask yourself, no? What if you die too soon? Who will take care of your family? Yan. So tignan lang natin kasi kung love natin yung family natin, importante na meron tayong maiiwan sa kanila, no? Yung life insurance, yan po yung isa sa mga sign na love natin yung family natin. Of course, ayaw nating mamatay, ayaw nating may mangyari sa atin. Pero hindi nga natin control yung life natin. Pero syempre, yung second question, what if you live too long? No? Who will take care of you? Of course, mas maganda yan kung meron kang sapat na retirement fund, may investment ka na kumikita ng passive income. Okay? So, solution, again, if you die too soon, life insurance will take care of your family. And if you live too long, investment and long-term care will take care of you. So, ang kagandahan niyan, again, sa dalawang scenario, nire-ready tayo ni IMG. May solusyon si IMG. So, tatlo yung major financial needs natin na nire-ready tayo ni IMG. May financial product din na pwede tayong kunin para meron na tayo nitong tatlo na to, no? So, ito rin yung sinimulan ko noong 2012 na may income protection or life insurance. So, again, ang purpose niyan, this will protect your family if you die too soon. And life insurance protection can help you replace your income. So, pakitype po, income replacement. Yan lagi yung tinatandaan ko din na pag nawala ako, may income replacement ng family. So, help finance your children's education, pay estate tax, pay debts, etc. No, instantly. So, number 2, ang kailangan din natin is investment. This is the answer if you live too long. This will generate continuing income. Ayun na masarap, no? Continuing, hindi lang basta income. For you when you retire. It is your money working for you. So again, hindi magsisimulang mag-grow ang ating investment kung wala tayong sinisimulan ngayon. 'Di ba? Kahit sa maliit na halaga. And long-term healthcare, this is the answer to your healthcare needs when you retire or get old. Siyempre, yan na yung isa sa mga malalaking expense natin, yung healthcare. Kung nakita nyo, di ba, mga pensioner, laging may binibili silang maintenance or para sa healthcare needs nila. So how comfortable your healthcare situation will be after you turn age 60 depends on the decision you make today. So pakitype po today. Yan. So kung ano yung ginagawa natin ngayon, may effect yan 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from now. So the government programs, GSIS, SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth are great, no? But we have to understand that they have limitations. Maganda yan lahat ng mga benefits natin. But you cannot rely on their coverage and benefits because they may not be enough to cover your needs. That's why it's important to look into the other means that can help you save and grow your money in order to prepare for your financial future. So maganda, meron kang government benefits, no, mga nare-receive na pension, pero maganda rin meron kang sarili mong savings program na pwede mong maasahan pag nag-retire ka. Yan, no. So ito yung mga program ng government natin for our retirement. Yung mga SSS, GSIS, no, may PhilHealth din, Pag-ibig. So again, maganda meron ka nito. Kaya nga kami, no, nagbabayad pa rin kami ng PhilHealth kahit na may tagdalawa na kaming long-term healthcare. Kasi malaking bagay pa rin siya pero hindi kami aasa na dito lang kami nakarely. So may mga limitations kasi siya, no, like sa GSIS, the proceeds and benefits from GSIS may not be enough when you retire and when you stop working. No, meron kasi like SSS, no, the proceeds and benefits from SS may not be enough when you retire and when you stop working din. Kasi meron may kakilala tayo 5,000 per month yung nare-receive from their pension. Meron din naman naririnig ko maximum 15,000 per month. So syempre by the time na tayo magre-retire parang kasya ba yung kahit maximum pa yan 15,000 per month, 'di ba? So isipin natin 'yan. Kung kasya ba yung 15,000 per month pag tayo ay nawalan na ng income. So, Pag-ibig naman, it's limited mostly to low-cost housing only and the PhilHealth naman, limited din and can't fully cover the healthcare claims and expenses. So again, maganda to. Kaya kung may chance kayong mag-contribute dito, i-activate nyo yung PhilHealth nyo, maganda yan kasi may coverage. Pero again, meron din tayong pandagdag kasi hindi naman natatapos sa isang savings lang ang ating retirement. So kung kaya nating magkaroon ng multiple investment savings program, mas maganda para mas maaga tayong makakapag-retire.